Hello, my name is Kevin from JBH. In this video, I'm going to compare the difference between the model D26 and D11A. They look very different. Some people they say they are similar, but actually there are a lot of different. You can see the design of the frame is different already, but they're using same type of 250 cc/kW, two pieces on each unit. And they have same kind of controller, which has been in the market for decades. It's really steady and also very reliable controller. Let's look at from top here. The backrest is a little bit different design. On D26, we have increased a soft material of the armrest here, and it's ergonomic, allow you to sit on here to control the unit for a long time. It's no problem at all. This one is really standard. We use this for our normal wheelchair. But look, most important, this one has a lot of features of the knob for easier control, for lifting up the armrest. This one is a standard type here that you need to twist it and then you just lift it up. That's the difference. Let's see the battery. This is a built-in battery as well. Battery control is here. Lift it up and then you can take out the battery. It's really a long battery. And then the battery indicator and also charging ports are here. You want to put in the back. It's slightly long, but it's also convenient for you to charge everywhere or carry it everywhere, and slide it in. It's very simple and easy here. But this one is very unique. It's a special design battery. Normally we need to have the key here. We turn out the key, that the battery ejected out automatically. This way you can take out the battery already. It's shorter, it's more compact. It's easier for you to put inside the bag or any compartment you want. Look at here. We have a safety switch here. This is the battery switch. This is the charging port that allows you to charge in connected to any power source. And then also here we have another switch for the battery power. That means you have 1, 2, 3 ways of protection of battery that you don't want the kids to touch it. You don't want anybody to touch it and use it. This is a good way. With a key that you feel safer. When you keep the wheelchair somewhere and then you far away from the wheelchair for a long time, it's no problem at all. Simply this switch will give you a protection of the units. And then you just take out the key, put it in a pocket somewhere, then it's really safe for protection reason. All right, to fold the unit, it's very simple and easy. This one, compared to this one, we have a continuous adjustment of the seat back angle to here, to here. And also look at the seat height. It's a little bit higher than this one. This one is a little bit lower. So if you are taller people, you want to sit higher, feel more comfort, you got to choose this one. And also, we have a single one-touch folding mechanism here for you to easily control the folding. To fold the units is really simple and easy. This way, and open it, simple and easy. It's real easy to control and comfort. Armrest, battery, and also to adjust the length of the footrest, we have the knob here. You just lift it up and then move the footstep out. It's really simple and easy. This one, look, it's really simple, it's fixed, but it's really strong and comfortable as well. To fold the units here, you need to touch the metal knob here, and also easy to control, easy to fold, and easy to open as well. This unit has set up with anti-tilt wheel to prevent you from any anti-tilt, and also there is no mud guard here because this is a detachable rear wheel here. Simply take out the pin that you can take the wheel out and also this part out. In case in any situation that you wanna, let's say you wanna move the units inside the trunk and it's too heavy, you feel it. When you take out these two wheels away, it's really easy to take out. The unit is about 50% of the weight. A lot of easier for you to move the unit somewhere to the car trunk. You want to storage in any cupboard or somewhere in your storage house or what. It's really easy and simple. All right, these are basically the basic difference, but these two units are very good, heavy duty for you to go for heavier. You want to go out, you want to go to some place which is more rough. I think you will like them both. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel anytime. You will find more information. We always like to share a lot of features of our units from our channel. Thank you very much.